Today, I want to talk about the outcome of my divorce case in circuit court here in Maryland. I had a very disappointing outcome on my divorce trial. It was conducted by a magistrate, which I was not expected. The first thing, I just feel very uncomfortable with the entire outcome. Maybe legally it was done correctly. I have some familiarity with the law, but I just want to talk about something real quick. And at the same time, I am trying to see if I can find a good attorney that can actually appeal my case. So my case was a divorce matter where there was several items of marital assets and partial marital assets on dispute. Namely, a house that was purchased prior to the marriage. However, the mortgage was being paid with marital assets. Also, the plaintiff in this case, I was the defendant and the husband was the plaintiff. We began a small cleaning business in 2018 where it was earning approximately between $70,000 to $100,000. I never asked for anything. All the assets were in his name. He started dissipating assets as soon as I asked for the divorce. I just want to make a long story short that he got away with everything. The judge ruled in his favor. I'm sorry, it was not a judge, it was a magistrate. Ruled in his favor, and she didn't give me a cent because according to her, I did not state the value of the property, I did not state the value of my debts, and I didn't state properly like how he dissipated the assets. Although I did. I brought these proofs to court. I also served them within the prescribed amount of time, but she still ruled in my favor. One of the things that I noticed about her that is irrelevant to my case. However, there were two previous cases of child support prior to mine, and I know she's pro-man because she allowed these two men not to pay child support. She was okay with them not paying child support, which I never thought about that my case she was going to rule over my husband, my ex-husband, the plaintiff in this case. So I want to make people aware of magistrates being biased, and it can truly really affect your case. However, the main thing that I want to say is do not come to court without an attorney that can actually represent you, because you may have some knowledge of how to file things and how to speak for yourself, but when it comes to presenting evidence and if you have to object to certain things, you won't know. And that's what happened to me today. My husband, I'm so sorry, the plaintiff in this case, he objected to evidence where I was showing how he was dissipating assets. And so right now, being that I lost pretty much everything right now, I am looking for an experienced family law attorney in the Maryland area that can represent me to appeal this case, because there is I'm not actually sure whether this case is appealable, but please contact me through this channel. And but mainly I want to inform those men and women not to come to court without an attorney. And also, if there's a possibility that you can know in advance and research your judge or your magistrate, because your life is in their hands. Thank you.